welcome back, guys. And yep, this is part 2 of the winter boat parade. Remember, don't forget to check out part 1. The parade is over, but we don't want the night to be over, so we're gonna hit the intercoastal and go check out Riverfront. If you guys are not familiar with Riverfront, it's actually down by Las Olas, where all the clubs and restaurants, and we could go by boat and dock behind the restaurant. And one thing about cruising the intercoastal, you get to admire all the beautiful houses, like this one right here, that is so big that it looks like a hotel. And you can't really notice in the video, but we noticed that the house had 3 huge Christmas trees. And you don't only get to see the big houses, but you also get to see the big yachts like this one right here. It must be at least 120 to 130 feet.
Alright, so we just stopped here at downtown Fort Lauderdale. Check it out, see how it goes, what it is. ¿Tú todavía sigues comiendo?
Tengo hambre, papi, tengo hambre. Este cuerpo hay que alimentarlo.
Well, like you saw, this place is pretty good. This is the Fort Lauderdale Wharf that you can actually come by car or boat. Well, guys, for me, the night couldn't turn out any better. Went on the boat, had a great time looking at the winter boat parade and hanging out with my friends. And we ended up dancing. But it's about that time because we have a long ride back. It's time to go home. But it's not that bad because we get to enjoy the beautiful intercoastal ride.
Yes.
Just when we thought the night was over, it turned out for a big surprise because all the parade boats were coming back, so we got to see the boats right up and close. So how about that? We got up and close. So guys, let me know which boat you like the best and let me know if you guys attended. And again, I would like to thank Tracy and her family for inviting us to go on the boat parade with them. Sorry they had mechanical issues and they couldn't make it.